He wasn't born rich. He was delivering pizzas in a beat-up car, trying to make it as a football player with barely enough gas money. He trained at midnight, slept 4 hours a night, got rejected by teams that didn't even remember his name. But he didn't quit. One shot. That's all he wanted. Not a handout. Just one chance to prove he belonged. And when it came, he showed up like a beast. He didn't go to the NFL, but he built something bigger. His own brand, his own gym, his own empire. Every rep, every hustle on his terms. Now he drives the cars they said he'd never touch. Not because he got lucky, but because he refused to live average. This isn't just a Lamborghini. It's proof. Proof that you can go from pizza runs to power moves. His name? Kevin Van Voris.